In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix joystick drift on your Oculus Quest 2. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If the joysticks on your Quest 2 controllers have started to show signs of stick drift, then you can follow these steps in this video to potentially fix it. So, something that you can do inside of the software side of things is to look for dead zone settings. So on the settings of your Oculus Quest 2, look for the word dead zone. You will find thumbstick range and dead zone when you go over to the controller or devices settings. In there, you will find the category at the bottom. So in here, you are either going to see the option to reset or calibrate the left and right controllers. So now all that you have to do is choose them accordingly. If you see the option to reset, this means that they were calibrated in the past, but you can go ahead and choose it. There is no harm in doing this. If you see the option to calibrate, then you can start the process now. So choose reset and then calibrate once more, or just go straight into calibrate if you see that option right away. Now you will be guided through the process. Before calibrating, move your thumbsticks to test the current range and responsiveness. So move them to the side, move them up, down, do circles with them, and pay attention to the dead zones of the thumbsticks. If you notice any sort of inconsistencies or problems, this could be related to hardware, and in that case, it is going to be a little bit more difficult. But if you notice that it travels far enough, it goes everywhere, and everything is okay, then just finish the calibration process, and usually stick drift will go away. Now, like I said before, if it is still presenting issues, it is most likely going to be related to the hardware side of things, so the actual joystick module or unit itself. In this case, you can use something like compressed air to clear off any dust or debris on the joystick, and you can use something like Q-tip or cotton swabs dampened with isopropyl alcohol. This will allow you to clear around the joystick area and remove any sort of smudges that might be making the joystick unusable. So all that you have to do is clean it thoroughly using these, and this will allow you to test it out again and see if it works. If it is still not working, the best course of action is going to be to contact the Quest support to see if they are able to provide a replacement, or so that you can purchase a replacement yourself. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix joystick drift on Oculus Quest 2. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.